What if I told you that you can turn any product into a tiny, realistic miniature that looks so real, people won't believe it's AI? Let me show you exactly how to create these viral miniature product unboxing videos. Start by opening the video description and copying the master prompt provided there. Then head over to Google Flow AI, switch to video mode, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, and select the OmniFlash video model. Paste the master prompt into the prompt box, and now you're ready to choose your product. Open ChatGPT and type, "Provide me 20 electronic item names." You'll instantly get a list of products you can turn into miniature videos. Pick any item you want. For this example, I'll go with a DSLR camera. Copy the name, return to Google Flow AI. Replace the object placeholder in the master prompt with DSLR camera and hit generate. Google Flow will then create a detailed macro-style video showing the miniature product being unboxed, connected to a charger, and powered on with a realistic startup animation. Want to make another one? Simply return to your ChatGPT list and choose a different product. This time, I'll select a monitor. Copy the product name, go back to Google Flow AI, paste the master prompt, swap the object placeholder with a new product, and generate the video. In just a few minutes, you'll have another realistic miniature product unboxing video ready to use. And that's how you can create unlimited miniature product videos using a single prompt. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe. Arcane Lab.